Hello everyone. Today we're cleaning out our exhaust fan in our bathroom. And it's you can't really see up in there right now. But it's kind of dusty up in there. So it's pretty common exhaust fan. It's got the light, heater, and exhaust fan. So basically how you get this thing off so you can clean up in there. Just kind of take your fingernails, put it under one side here, and pull over. Get that off. It's got a tab there. And it just kind of pulls it over a little bit, and it just snaps right back up in there when you're done. So there's that. Take that off. Then it's got a light bulb here. Because behind the light bulb there's a screw that you need to unscrew. So I take the light bulb off. Okay, so now we're looking at this here. So then you just gotta take this screw off. Just should be hand tightened, I'm pretty sure. So we'll just go ahead and unscrew that. And this whole assembly should come down. So you kind of want to hold it with one hand while you're unscrewing this. Okay, so I got that part off. Okay, now this whole assembly should pretty much just kind of hang down, being held by the wires here from the light bulb. And you can see, yeah, there's a lot of stuff on there. If you run your heater with it like that, these wires should hold it. It's crazy heavy. It's plastic. So, once you got that off of there, take your vacuum cleaner or whatever, and just get all that dust and stuff that's built up in there. Just get it all out of there. Get it out of there. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off. That's how you pull that thing off there pretty easily. Thanks for watching, everyone. Get that all cleaned up, and then it won't smell like burning dust when you turn on the heater. Alright. Have a great day out there, everyone. Hope that helped. Okay, bye.